Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about this Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix Gboard problem on Poco mobile. Friends, you want to solve guys your Gboard problems of how to solve Gboard problem. Today friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to fix Gboard. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Poco mobile. Friends, click on Poco mobile app setting. After on app setting friends, you can see manage app setting, system app setting. So friends, click on manage app setting and guys find here Gboard setting. Direct friends, we will search here Gboard. Friends, you can see Gboard setting, click here and friends click on clear data setting. First guys clear cache and friends now clear data. After clear data guys, now friends you can use your phone. Gboard means your keyboard friends you can use without any problem on your Poco phone device guys. You can use friends. You want to set any theme, so you can set theme. And friends, you want to change language, so you can change language from here. Friends, you can use Hindi language you want to use, so I select Hindi language and you can use your Hindi language. And friends, you don't want to use, so guys click on your English language, English India. So like that friends, you can fix guys your Gboard problem from your phone app manage. First guys click on app setting, then guys click on manage app setting and search your Gboard setting. Click on Gboard and clear data. Okay, after clear data friends, now you can use your phone Gboard setting without any problem on your Poco phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.